my camera. Has that ruined YouTube for you now? Sorry about that. Today's mission is to walk to Matlock, have some lunch, and then walk back to Bonsall, check into a shepherd's hut called Woolly Pingle, and relax. This is Bonsall. Bonsall, Bonsall, Bonsall. I'm gonna go that way. I'm walking to Matlock for no particular reason. I booked this trip a few weeks ago. Tried to cancel it the other day because it seems very decadent to take time off in the week to go for walks on my own. But when I booked it 3 weeks ago, I was feeling really trapped inside a house and like I needed to get out, and I knew if I spent some money, I would indeed go. So, indeed, here I am. I've been freelancing for 22 years this August, and I've never taken time off in the week to go on solo hikes. So I've just been thinking a lot about the things we put off, the things I put off all the time. Waiting for what? To have enough money to do something big, to have enough time, or I don't know what, energy. If I want to do stuff, got to do stuff. So here I am, doing stuff up a hill. Talk to you in a bit. Way. I think it's that way. Oh, hi. Hello. What do you want? Where are you going? I presume that dog lives here because there's no one around. Just me going for a walk. Where are you going? Hello. Dog's on lead. Sorry, mate. You can't come. You don't have a lead. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye. So, straight on to Matlock Bath. That way to Matlock. All right. You're taking me. Thanks. Showing me the way. She's down here now. I don't know what to do about this. Almost certainly nothing. That dog has a plan. That dog knows where it is. Maybe that dog is just showing me the way to Matlock, but I'm all right. I know it's this way. The concern is always that if I take the dog with me by accident and then I've stolen a dog simply by existing, but I think I'm going to throw that worry out of my head because there's a lot of beautiful scenery to look at instead. She's still there. She seems very friendly. I just kind of have a policy. If there's a dog that I don't know that's flattening its ears as it comes towards me, I'm not going to pet it because I like having hands. Are you my spirit guide? Are you my shadow self? Thanks for the help. See you later. Bye. I think I'm alone again. I think we're alone now. She's gone. Phew. Keep your dog under control and on a lead in her livestock. She's not my dog. That's how far I've walked. Really haven't come far. So peaceful. Whoa, there's a castle. Over there. Adventure is on our doorstep. It's right here. Oh God, another really skinny gate. If you've never really picked out what shots people are doing in their vlogs, this might ruin everything for you, and I apologise for that. They leave the camera somewhere and then they go off for a little walk, but they can't leave their camera behind. It's expensive and they'd lose their footage. So, see you in a minute. Already regretting it because it's pretty steep. I have to walk all the way back. What a drag. I could disappear from sight here, but I don't want to. I'm back. And if I was really professional, I would also get a different shot from down here. All right, let's get out of this shot. Going for a nice little walk, just casual like, all the way down here. Whoops, got to get my camera again. Got it. Phew. But now I need one more, don't I, of me approaching. So excuse me a moment while I secure this amongst the moss, the beautiful moss. Hoping not to hurt any moss, because moss is important. So back up I go, as far as I can really, because what I'm going to do is put these shots together in a sequence, aren't I? Like a professional at whatever this is. Except now I've been moving my mouth the whole time. I've ruined it. Let me do it again. All casual like. Did it. And this is what that looks like with music. We'll go that way. Oh no. Is it the same dog? Different guy. Phew. Hello. Bye. Matlock's just over there. I keep forgetting about my new glasses. People are looking at me funny. Maybe they think Timmy Mallet's in town. If you know, you know. I haven't walked all that far, but the sense of achievement I feel at arriving here on foot is unparalleled. I've walked 3.66 kilometres. Yes, I feel proud. It feels really good. Here we are, Matlock. Do you ever feel like somebody's watching you? How's your day going? Watch as your local indie musician climbs another stile. Bye sheep. Oh God, another hill. Let's go. Limestone Way. Try and squeeze through here then. Ooh. It's quite spiky. That way. No, wrong. This way. For some reason, All Trails was telling me for ages I was like 4 kilometres away from my destination. It was very sure of that fact, and I was kind of hurrying along a bit, which is not the vibe. This is not a hurrying thing. But I've had a lot of time to just take in the birdsong and the surroundings, and that's what this is for. I keep trying to remind myself why a few weeks ago did I decide I'm going to become a hiker, because coming up with the ideas for things is the first part, and actually doing them, like on the day, weeks later, I'm trying to remember why there was the plan in the first place. That could be hard, can't it? I certainly find that hard. I wanted to be outdoors more. I wanted to be in nature more. I want to make videos outside. That's not the main reason. If that was the main reason, it doesn't really matter. But I don't want that to be the main reason. I want the main reason to be health and mind broadening stuff, being in nature with nature, experiencing it and enjoying it. This part of it is the creative project side of it. I feel like I should have some shame about, like, everything's not content. But I don't make content. I hate that word. I make videos, I make music, I make photos, I write things, songs, also blog posts. I called them essays for a while, but then I realised that sounded really boring. And the only reason I say that out loud to you is to remind myself that making something out of my experiences, because I'm an artist, is not cheapening those experiences. I'm not a content creator where all I do is make stuff that I think people will like, that I think will do well, and then make me money. No disrespect to those people, it's just a different thing. But thinking of my stuff being cheapened by making stuff has put me off making stuff. I think I'm here. What a lovely place to live. The Limestone Way right on the doorstep. And this is really pretty as well. So maybe you don't want to escape. I went up there earlier. All the way around and back. The circle is complete. Limestone Way completed it. Ooh, a little bit achy. A little bit achy. Want to see it? We made it to Woolly Pingle Shepherd's Hut in Bonsall. I had a great walk, thanks for coming with me. As well as walking through fields and talking to you, I also make albums of music, so make sure you check out the links in the description to get a free 12-track album and to browse my shop for all of the albums I've released so far under the name Penfriend, She Makes War and Obey Robots. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you again soon.